Alright, what's up guys? You're watching CRYPTRUE, and in this video you will see a review on KuSwap. KuSwap is working not on Binance Smart Chain and not on Ethereum network. KuSwap is working on own network. New network, KCC, KuCoin, community chain. This is like fork of Binance Smart Chain, and KuCoin create own network. And this is first project on this KCC network. So right now, guys, as we can see, like exchanges like KuCoin, Binance, Hobby, making their own networks and join into DeFi. Now in this video, you will learn about KuSwap, and I'm gonna show you in this video everything about KuSwap, what you need to know, and I'm gonna show you how to add liquidity, I'm gonna show you how to swap on KuSwap, I'm gonna show you how to stake, and all about this project. Alright guys, and before video starts, I just want to say we have a Telegram channel. In this Telegram channel, you can find new projects, all last updates on projects like BSwap or KuSwap. First of all, we're making posts in our Telegram channel, and then we're making video review for YouTube channel. So if you want to be the first to know all last news and updates, just follow our Telegram channel, guys. And first of all, what I want to say about KuSwap, they not have bridge right now on this network. I think they will add the bridge like on next week maybe. So you can't join with BNB and Ethereum right now. You can join with only KCC token, and like for me this is not a big problem. So you need to have account on KuCoin to like for example send your BNB to KuCoin and exchange your BNB to KCC and send this KCC to your wallet Metamask for KuSwap. And in this video I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna exchange my BNB for like KCC tokens on KuCoin. Welcome to KuSwap. On homepage we can see here up to 100% of the trading fee returns in KuS tokens. So this is one of the features of this website. So they will back all your commission, they will cover all your fees in this token. If you're making swap, they will back all your commission, like up to 100%. So if you not have an account on KuCoin, click here on sign up, and here create account. You can see here referral code, you can type code here, or you can join with link in description to KuCoin. You will get a bonus, you will support this channel. KuCoin pay me nothing, KuSwap pay me nothing. This referral code is big support for this channel, and this is bonus on KuCoin for you guys. So this code, use this code if you create an account on KuCoin or create account with link on KuCoin, link in description. Big thanks to you if you join with this referral code or if you join with link on KuCoin. And after you create account on KuCoin, we go here to assets. So we can see here button deposit, we click on deposit here. We need to choose our token which we're gonna deposit on this exchange. My token is BNB, so I'm gonna put in here BNB, Binance Smart Chain, main account, yes, BIP20. So we're gonna now put in some BNB and I'm gonna exchange this BNB into KCC token, and we will go to KuSwap. You can do it not only with BNB, you can do it with every token like Litecoin, XRP, with like BTC, USDT, Ethereum, like every token, what you have, you can put it in on KuCoin and exchange to KuCoin token. So I got my BNB as we can see here. So we go to main account and we can see here 0.36 tokens of BNB, it's $115. So now we're gonna transfer our tokens into trading account. So we click here on transfer. We can see here main account, trading account. We click all here, confirm, and we go to trading account. So we click here trade, and we can see here BNB, KCC. We click on this one pair, so market, and we're gonna do 100% sell BNB. And we got our KCC tokens, guys. So we go to our assets and we can see here on trading account our KuCoin tokens. I got almost 9.5 KuCoin token. So I'm gonna transfer this token into main account. We go click here, all confirm, and we got our tokens, guys. So now I'm gonna put these tokens on my Metamask wallet. We're gonna add liquidity. We're gonna swap, we're gonna stake these tokens on KuSwap. Right now we need to transfer our KCC KuCoin tokens into our Metamask. So how you can do it? So we need to have in Metamask KCC Network. This is KuCoin community chain. So how to add this network into your Metamask? Now I'm gonna show you. So we can see here chainlist.org. So here search network, you just type KCC, and you can see here KuCoin community chain. You will add to this networks, and you will have in your Metamask this network. So that's pretty simple. Or you can find in description under this video how to add into your Metamask this network. So if you already have this network in your Metamask, you can choose this network, copy your address, and just put your address here in wallet address, choose network, KCC, this is very important. Don't choose ERC20, you will lose money if you will send in this network. KCS amount, so we click max. Remark, you do not need to do remark, so we confirm, and yeah, that's all. So we need to confirm withdraw, and here my password. So successful. I'm waiting these tokens on my wallet Metamask, so and then we will continue, guys. After 1 minute I already have these tokens. I don't know, this is too fast. Okay, so we got 9.4 KSC tokens, so now we can add liquidity, we can swap. Alright guys, so now we're gonna add liquidity, but before we need to swap 2 KCS to KUS. I'm gonna do 1.5 KCS to free, almost free KUS. So we're gonna do like that. Confirm in the MetaMask, and that's all. So we're gonna add liquidity right now. Alright, so we swap tokens, now we're gonna add liquidity. We click supply, click confirm supply, and we're gonna confirm in the MetaMask, and yeah, that's all. So we add liquidity right now. If people will swap with these pairs, will do swaps and everything, you will collect a fees. So this is how liquidity working, and we can see here your liquidity, KCS, KUS. We can add here, we can remove. So we go to farms right now, and we can see here unlock wallet. Click MetaMask, approve contract, and click here on stake. So we click max, confirm, and of course confirm in MetaMask, and that's all, guys. So we stake right now KUS, KCS, KUS. We're gonna earn KUS, so that's all. So we stake LP tokens. I'm gonna put in right now all my these tokens. So, and I really hope you understand how to do it, everything. So yeah, 3,152% of AP. We're gonna earn KUS tokens. So that's cool. And kuswap creators update website, so they add 1 day ago charts. We can see here KuCoin token, Tether. We can see here chart on website. That's cool. And yeah, this is great update. So we can see here Q drops. This is like airdrop. kuswap have analytics, so we can see here liquidity, volume, top tokens. So liquidity from $250,000 to 8 mil, but now it's 5. We can see here top tokens like KCS, kuswap, of course, KCS wrapped. Wrapped is better because you're not paying so much for fees if you doing everything with this token. So you can do it with wrapped KCS. Here we can see tokens, we can see payers, we can see accounts, top liquidity positions. So someone is at 4.5 mil. I don't know, this is a creator maybe, I don't know, guys. So here all people who add liquidity on this swap. KCC have BSC scan or Ether scan. This is I don't know, this is same KuCoin community network. So we can see here, I just want to see transaction fees. So it's low. I think it's same with Binance Smart Chain, but maybe I'm wrong. And this is absolutely zero. I already checked. This is not 1 cent at all. So I think this is maybe a bit lower than on Binance Smart Chain, but this is great fees, this is low, and that's cool. So what about kuswap.finance? You can read about this project everything. I will give a link in description to this website. So you can read on this website about the roadmap and like yield farming, liquidity pools, and out here. So we can see here, guys, roadmap of KuSwap. So we can see here they will add NFT marketplace. They will add lottery game like on PancakeSwap, I think, and a prediction game where users can bet KUS to win more tokens based on their odds. So I think this is like something like gambling maybe. We in kuswap.finance Twitter, so I think they will post here some giveaways, some news. Like here we can see kuswap.finance DEX, kuswap farming, kuswap analytics, kuswap wallet tracker. That's all we'll have already. So today we are releasing KuSwap trading view charts. So I show you already these charts. They added today. And we are still just getting started. I think in this Twitter, they will post like news about projects, some like updates, some maybe giveaways. So project is new, guys. We are waiting for updates. I really like this project already. And alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I really hope I help you, and that's all. So this is the review on KuSwap. We today add some liquidity, we make swaps, we transfer money from KuCoin to KuSwap. And guys, if you don't want to miss like these projects like kuswap or bswap, and if you want to see like all last news and updates, you can follow us in Telegram, link in description. I'm posting in this Telegram channel all last news about bswap, kuswap, about new projects which I use. Alright, thanks for watching this video, guys. Peace.